Hello, everybody. Welcome back to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, June 28th, 2024. Jeremy Crosby here. I'm back. And just for one day, it's Friday. And we're ready for the weekend here on it's been a wet day so far. Hopefully better weather this weekend. We start with the Kellymoss Car Show, which should have good weather tomorrow. The second annual Kellymoss Car Show is set for tomorrow, June 29th at Agora Fitchburg, hosted by Kellymoss, Fitchburg's own championship Porsche race team and custom build shop. This year's event will feature expanded field of cars from classic to sports and active Kellymoss Porsche race cars too. Enjoy kids area with activities for the whole family, complimentary coffee and donuts. Additional food trucks will be there for other food purchase options, photo opportunities, and you can also schedule a tour of Kellymoss shop. So you can check out their facilities. Both Nick and I from the show here have been over there. It is beautiful and really cool to see, especially if you're a car person. You would love it. Otherwise, this is all set at the beautiful Agora Pavilion tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's located at 5511 East Sherrill Parkway. Plenty of parking, free to attend, and we hope to see you out there. We'll have coverage of this on Monday's TF. Splash Pad open for the season and continues on. If you haven't been out there yet, maybe this is the time. Pack the bag of sunscreen, picnic lunch, and gather your friends and family and head out for an adventure at McKee Farms Park Splash Pad. The Splash Pad is open now through Labor Day. Hours are 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. And that's located at 2930 Chappie Valley Road. That's McKee Farms Park. And one of five stage structures are available for reservation. If they're not reserved, then it's first come, first served basis. You can find that information on the Fitchburg website, fitchburgwi.gov. And then you can learn more about how to rent those shade structures. Not easy for me to say there. All right, local food partners issue a joint call for action. This came out earlier this week. A coalition of 36 Dane County food pantries released a letter to the community this week raising awareness about the rising number of people facing food insecurity and the need for longer-term solutions to meet the growth need. This letter was published as full-page ad in Tuesday's print edition of the Wisconsin State Journal and will run again this Sunday. The call of action comes as visits to many of the pantries across the area in Wisconsin have more than doubled in the past 2 years. As a result, pantries are spending more money on food and options to keep shelves stocked and continue to shift and have become more expensive. At Badger Prairie Needs Network, it says we are working double time to address and increase the need for food pantry services with the same level of choice and service. A capital campaign is underway to address and dock and warehouse space that can receive and distribute 6 times more food than it current space. Additional square footage and more cold storage space will add for more produce and provide greater privacy for on-site social workers and community service. Either way, if you can help out in any way, I would suggest checking in with the Badger Prairie Needs Network or the Allied Food Pantry as well as another one that serves here in Fitchburg and help them out by donations or call them and see what they need. Maybe they need help stocking shelves, whatever the case, you can reach out to them for more information. Turning our attention over to brain health and aging. This is an event coming up at the Fitchburg Public Library. You can join Ellen Taylor, Dementia Care Specialist with the Aging and Disability Resource Center of Dane County, and learning strategies on keeping our brain healthy as we age. This presentation focuses on dementia risk reduction through lifestyle and health factors such as healthy eating, exercise, and keeping brain active, social connections, and the importance of sleep. This is on Monday, July 1st, 3 o'clock p.m. Or actually, this is Monday. Okay, July 1st, 3 p.m. To 4:30 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library Meeting Room. Bike the BURG Challenge continues. Want to remind you of this if you haven't signed up. Bike the BURG challenges all area cyclists' abilities to participate in the Fitchburg Chamber of Visitor and Business Bureau's Bike the BURG Challenge 2024. And in total, you ride 150 miles or more during the summer and keep track of those miles and register to win some pretty sweet prizes. And Bike the BURG is a wonderful way to check out all of our great infrastructure here in the city of Fitchburg, as we have some wonderful bike trails, and you should get out there and bike today. Check the Chamber's website to get signed up and bike the BURG this weekend and all summer long. Have a good weekend, everybody.